Hi, I'm Scotty. I service, repair and restore vintage and antique mechanical clocks. Welcome to Scotties Clock World. I've cleaned all the movement parts in the ultrasonic cleaner, so we'll now put them back into the block in their correct order. Once I cut off the little pieces of brass wire that held them together. Do that. Now the strike side. We'll put the wheels into my little foam block in the correct order. Second wheel, the warning wheel, and the fly. Now the going train wheels. Escape wheel first up. First wheel. Second wheel. Third wheel. They're not orientated correctly up and down. At this point in time, they're just in the correct order. So now we'll start to put the wheels back into the plate, and we can check and see if we need to do any bushing. We'll put one train in at a time, and that way it'll be easy to see what we've got. Pop the wheel there for a start. Great wheel on the first wheel. Which obviously goes there. Second wheel. Whoop. Third wheel. And the escape wheel. Third wheel's fallen out, pop them back in again. Okay, that's the third wheel. Now we'll put the top plate back on. Put a nut on each of the lower pillars. That'll make it easier to align the wheels. First wheel's in. That off there. First wheel, second wheel, two. Up to there. That'll make it a bit easier, I would think. Second wheel's in. Down to the third wheel. And escape wheel. into there. Spin it round, see what we've got. Okay. Put a nut on the top, tighten them down so we can check and see what the bushings are like and what the end play is like. Tighten these up with their 7mm spanner. Okay. Let's see what we've got here. Second wheel. Tiny little bit there on the first wheel. You can see movement on the first wheel there. That'll have to be rebushed. Second wheel's alright. The third wheel's alright, so we'll have to rebush that pivot there. So I'll mark that with the texture pen so we know which one we've got to do. Then we'll look at end play. Make sure the wheels, each one can move left and right. They're not tight. And the third wheel. Okay. Well, we got one bush to do there. The rest are okay. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about antique and vintage clock repair, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.